Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can completely uninstall MySQL from your Windows operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, go to the search option and search for control panel here, and then click on control panel, and then view by category. So select category here, and then click on uninstall a program under programs section. Here you will be able to see MySQL Server, and if you have installed the MySQL Workbench, which is the UI interface for your MySQL Server, you can also uninstall that. So we will uninstall both of them. Just select MySQL Server first and then click on uninstall here, and then click on yes here, which is going to start the process of uninstallation of MySQL Server first. Click on yes here if it asks you, and once that's done, just wait for a few seconds until this is finished. So now I can see this kind of window which says MySQL configurator, and it has remove data option. So just leave it as checked, which says remove the data directory, which is going to remove the data directory also from when MySQL will be uninstalled. So I will leave it as unchecked and then click on next here. So you can see this kind of output here. One step failed here, which is stopping the server. Probably my MySQL server is already stopped. So this step didn't work, but don't worry. If your MySQL server is running, it's going to stop that server first, and then it's going to remove all these files, right? So if you see cross here, don't worry, your MySQL server is not running, so it's not going to stop that, right? You can also see the logs here, what are the steps which have taken place, and uh, and once you close that window, you will see that MySQL is removed from here. Now we are going to remove the MySQL Workbench. So I'm going to select MySQL Workbench and then click on uninstall and then click on yes here, which is also going to remove the MySQL Workbench. So just wait for a few seconds and then click on yes here. And once that process is finished, you will see that MySQL Workbench option is also gone. So we have successfully uninstalled MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench from our Windows operating system. But still, few directories related to MySQL remains on your Windows operating system. So let's remove them one by one. So first of all, click on this folder icon here and then go to your C folder. And in your C folder, if you see any folder related to MySQL, just remove it. And then in your C folder, there are a few folders which are program files. So we are going to go into the program files first, and you will see MySQL folder here, right? And inside this, you will see MySQL Workbench. So we are going to remove this MySQL folder in the program files. So right click and then click on the delete icon, which is going to remove this folder. Same you need to do in the program files x86. If you find any folder related to MySQL, just remove that. Now once that's done, click on this PC, and first of all you need to click on view here and then click on show option here, and then you need to select this hidden items option. So make sure you have this check option in front of hidden files, then only you will be able to see the hidden files. Once you do that, just go inside your C folder, and then whatever is your username, so just go to the users folder here, and then your username will be displayed here. In my case, my username is codebind, so I'm going to go inside that folder, and here you will see this hidden folder. If you haven't checked this hidden file item option, then you will not be able to see it, right? So you need to have this checkbox in front of this hidden items, and then you will be able to see that app data folder. Once you see this app data folder, click on it and then click on roaming option, and here also you will be able to see this MySQL folder. Inside this MySQL folder, some MySQL related files are there, so just select this folder and remove this folder from here also. So once all these folders and files are removed, let's try and search for MySQL here, or MySQL Workbench and see if we see any result here. So let me just type MySQL here, and here you can see this only shows me the result from the website, MySQL website, and there is no app related to MySQL or MySQL Workbench here, right? So we have successfully removed MySQL and MySQL Workbench from our Windows operating system. So that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.